When is the last time you did something for the very first time in your life? So this is the 10-minute long video in which I will be talking about my 30-day silent fast that I did from August 15, 2024 till September 13, 2024, where I did not speak to anybody, not even a word. So it was mainly to confront my fear of not using my primary skill, which is to speak. So that is one of the impossible things to do in my bucket list. Hey, I have crossed that off very well right now. And I love being free from my fears. The more I face it, it just improves my bravery and confidence to another level. It is basically motivated by my desire to reach more people as my build my presence online. I'll be talking more in detail about that. So what are the challenges faced? I couldn't delegate tasks to Siri. I couldn't self-talk out loud, which I love. I talk to myself like, Siva Challam, baby. I couldn't do that. I had to do it internally. I couldn't sing out loud. It's such a joy for me to sing out loud. And for a month, I couldn't sing out loud. But I heard songs. So obstacles like, there was a Wi-Fi outage. And I had to tell my neighbors that I am on a silent fast. Please give me your password till let's fix it while typing in my iPhone notes. And I'm very grateful. They did help. And I saw a snake in my garden right here. It was like a slightly big one. And again, I had to call for help to bring people. However, I contacted some people in my gated community and they helped me contact those help on my behalf. So, determination. And then, so I couldn't thank people, who do the food delivery or the cab drivers. I couldn't thank them. I just had to, smile and leave. That was a bit difficult. And without me telling them that I'm on a silent fast. So I had to do all this without just, not speaking. And I couldn't talk to children who would talk to me. In our gated community, there is park. I just take my book and go there. And some children, they came to talk to me and I couldn't talk back. So that was hard. I just had to smile and just do like this and move on. And unexpectedly, my website payment didn't work with my card. The solution was to call the bank support. How can I call while being on silent fast? So I had to let go, and that was a great learning. So certain words slipped out of my mouth, like when we sneeze, we say sorry, please excuse me. I go amma, appa. But I didn't dwell into that much. Like after 2 to 3 days, it also stopped. My family visited me. I live alone. I have got a place for myself which is rich in nature, calm and peaceful. I love that. Which is away from the cities, Chennai metro cities, hustle bustle. So for my family, my father, my only younger sister and her 2 children, my niece and nephew came to see me. But I couldn't do the baby talk to them. It was so hard to not being able to express that overflowing love I feel when I see my niece and nephew with the baby talk. That was a bit hard. However, I feel so blessed and grateful. They visited me and saw me. And we enjoyed walking around. I showed them the amenities here. It was fun. I'm grateful for that. And I guess I showed a side of me, my resilient, disciplined side of me, where I take up my challenges and I hold on to that to my niece and nephew. That's a good thing. I can't even imagine doing this if I had still been working for a corporate company or an MNC. Now I'm living alone. That also helped. I'll tell you more about how you can do this. So personally, the growth I improved in myself is mindfulness. That improved my listening skills, my ability to observe my thoughts to further deeper levels. Wow, that was new to me. I experienced a great reconnection with my inner child, who is very shy, silent, very. So I got to touch that side of me. I realized how great it is to be able to speak. What a privilege to speak out loud and get things done faster. So the absence of it heightened my appreciation for the verbal communication. So thirdly, how I did mentoring during the fast. My mentees are so understanding. They are the best in the world, right? So they are very advanced in personal growth, open-minded people, and they adapted by engaging with me through typed communication in Zoom chats, or later I realized I can do Canva presentations and type live so that they can know what I am typing before I complete typing. So that improved the efficiency along the way. So I realized that there are more ways of communication rather than just speaking, and it helped me realize the importance of the non-verbal communication. So there are more deep things in communication when we don't speak. So I learned to chat. I don't like chatting, typing in the phone for a long time. I don't like to look at the screen. I try to avoid it as much as possible. So I have to look at the screen, I have to type, so that was hard. So I improved that skills to be minimalistic, to type only what's absolutely essential and reduce the words as much as possible. So definitely my liking to chat increased a bit. So that is how I mentored. I took sessions and calls while I was on silent fast. Unexpectedly, I felt normal within 2 to 3 days itself. I didn't feel a big difference after 2 to 3 days. Because of many other conditions that came together. I'm not working for a corporate, I live alone, so I have so much freedom to do that. And I have to say the most unexpected was a lot of my big dreams, the step towards that got activated. Like the initial steps happened on its own, effortlessly, without me being so involved in it. That was a beautiful, unexpected thing that happened. I also developed appreciation for silence. I normally like silence a lot. So like I realized how beautiful silence is even now. It's so silent. I love it. So I loved more of that. So I even now, right, it's been like 12 days since I completed it. Now today it's 25 September 2024. I'm recording this. I still now, restrict myself from speaking in some areas, and I can realize that. I'm aware of that. So, and that is good, and that is in good perceptions for better results. So I love that. I realized that I'm doing that even after breaking my fast. And one of the unexpected benefit I received is I attracted people who are very aligned to me. I have people come to me, they speak to me in a call, we chat with each other and see if I can mentor them, if they are receptible, and they also see what can I learn from this person. So that calls were in chat during that 30 days fast, and the people who came to me were very aligned to me, whom I can help the most. And there was this one person who paid for my 3-month mentorship and joined it right away in the call. He told me that he started following my posts diligently right from the day one I started my silent fast. So that was like a wow, what an alignment kind of a thing. I loved that. I had got the high quality mentees who came to me from India, US, Canada. Loved it. So what are the benefits of silent fast? You can enjoy. Enough about me, right? So when I started, I thought okay, let me just do a 7-day trial, 14-day trial, and see if I can extend it, because it was impossible for me to do. So I didn't put so much pressure on myself. And definitely when you start, you can also do that, 1-day trial, 2-day trial in the weekend. And you will definitely feel an enhancement in your self-awareness. You will have more clarity in your thoughts and emotions. Definitely you will feel a reduction in falling to the distraction traps around. So definitely you will feel an improvement in focus and your cognitive function. That definitely improved further for me. I was already in social media detox from August 1st, 2024. I'm still continuing that. So a lot of good things are happening. And then you will also feel an emotional healing, right? It will help you reduce your fearful thoughts to a great extent, because your awareness about your thoughts increases. You will know how to navigate it better. Your communication skills will definitely improve. Like listening is also part of communication. Your non-verbal cues, like you will be more aware of about your body, how you move, and how it is like received by the other person. You will realize that more. I realized that in myself and others. It was amazing, new, practical learning. So physically, it was a detox on my throat. I was not speaking, right? So this part was not functioning like it used to. So that was a great detox there. So it will happen for you as well when you do that. So you will also be able to live in the present moment more when you do silent fast. You will observe more. When you're an observer, you will have a lot of present things to observe, not playing the past or visualizing the future. Both worst and best case scenarios, we think. And committing to this challenge, even if it is for a 1 day or a 2 day, it will definitely improve your discipline and resilience. Great opportunity. So yeah, as I told you, I find myself inclined to maintain silence out of habit of doing it for 30 days. That I'm doing. So more reflections are like, I'm using my hands more. Awareness of my body language and my facial expressions have improved to the level where it is like of high quality. It is minimalistic. It's only essential. I love that. And I still cherish moments of silence and quietness. And I feel good that I did this challenge, that I did it so well, better than I expected, exceeded my own expectations. So that, if that is not improving my self-esteem, then what could have been? So that it was like impossible. I made the impossible possible. It's such a great feeling. So communication, I realized that it's not just speaking, it's more than just speaking. Of course, speaking is more impactful, and please realize, guys, it's such a privilege to be able to talk out loud, sing out loud, hear your own voice, others' voices. Such a blessing, and I realized that a lot. So the biggest lesson is you never know how capable you are unless you challenge yourself. Let me repeat that again. You never know how capable you are unless you challenge yourself. Go challenge yourself. Do something for the very first time that you have never done before. Your life will never be the same. If you want to talk to me, if you want to get started on your new habits, new life, there's a link in my bio. Feel free to schedule a free one-on-one clarity call with me. The 5 benefits that you will receive in scheduling that call and having that call with me is mentioned in that Calendly link. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Wishing you emotional intelligence, more emotional intelligence. All right? Bye.